First, log into your Samcart account. We need to access your API key to connect it with Kajabi. Navigate to your account settings. Then find the Integrations tab here. You'll locate your Samcart API key, click to copy it, and keep this window open for the next step. Now, open a new tab and log into your Kajabi account on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings, and then select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Samcart integration option. Click on the Samcart integration. You'll see a field labeled API key. Paste the API key you copied from your Samcart account into this field. Once pasted, click the Connect button within Kajabi. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that Samcart has been successfully connected to your Kajabi account. This means your sales and customer data can now flow between the two platforms. With this integration active, you can now create your products and offers within Samcart, taking advantage of its advanced features like order bumps, one-click upsells and downsells. Then, you can embed these Samcart checkout pages directly into your Kajabi pages, funnels, or membership sites. This allows your customers to experience a smooth, branded buying journey that keeps them engaged within your ecosystem. When a customer makes a purchase through your embedded Samcart checkout, Kajabi will automatically recognize the sale, grant access to your products or courses, and manage your customers' information seamlessly. This integration is a game-changer for increasing your revenue, as customers are less likely to abandon their carts. When presented with a streamlined and feature-rich checkout experience, you'll be able to track your sales effectively in Samcart and manage your customer relationships and deliver your content within Kajabi, all working in harmony to boost your conversions.